You're watching the Vegas Style. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for informational purposes only.
Today we are going to be talking about one of my favorite coins, Algorand. That's right, guys. I know I have other coins listed on right here, but this one right here, Algorand, is one of my top picks, and I'm going to show you why. So let's get right into it. Now, before we do, Odysee is still on the top of my list. Okay, so really quick, you can earn Lbry coin here, whether you're watching a video just like mine or you're a content creator. So either way, take a look at the description below. I'm not gonna bother you too long with that. Now, Algorand, let me scroll back up here, is at $1.05. So just recently, I really hope that you decided to buy the dip. Now, it's not financial advice by any means. I'm just saying there was an opportunity when it went down. I think it was something as low as 89 or 86 cents. But if you were able to, you probably caught it maybe between 95 cents and 98 cents. Really, really awesome stuff that happened. So now, Algorand. All right, so this right here, let me scroll up, is from eCryptocurrency. All right, Algorand, Algo, rising as institutional investors back the initiative. Let me just say that people are really starting to notice, just not in people, but institutions, and they're really starting to see what Algorand can do. It is going to be one of the top contenders. And just this morning, as a matter of fact, I saw someone asking BitBoy within the chat, and you got to take a look because people are noticing, and they're like, BitBoy, what do you think about Algorand? You know? So it's definitely getting out there, and it will definitely show you some more interesting facts that have come out of this. You're going to see what I'm talking about in just a minute. But institutional investors, let me make this just a little bit bigger here, all right? Institutional investor support and a slew of new collaborations might help Algo break out of its current range this week. All right. This is an article written by Kenneth Henderson today. Consolidation periods usually follow large rallies, but they may also be used to scan the market and assess initiatives with strong fundamentals. Algorand, a pure proof of stake blockchain network that has recently obtained new collaborations and real world use case applications, as well as support from multi-million-dollar investors, is one project that is continuing to gain traction in terms of price recovery and network adoption. Very solid news coming out there. Very nice read. I'm going to have everything that I'm putting up here in the description below so you guys can take a look at those links. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the next. Insider. Now, this is cryptocurrency in general, but if you take a look here, nearly 90% of cryptocurrency investors surveyed say they weren't scared away by May's brutal sell-off and are planning to buy more. Now, that's including myself. I've been in this run before. If you take a look, just look at cryptocurrency in my search within my channel on YouTube, and you'll see that I actually bought cryptocurrency back in the day. You'll see, and showing prices. I think Ethereum, at the point was like $300 a coin, something like that. It was kind of crazy. Or actually, I think that's when I bought one. So, but 87% of respondents in a survey by cryptocurrency asset broker Voyager Digital plan to buy more digital currencies in upcoming months. Let's take a look at this third bullet point. Okay, right there. Crypto buyers are also bullish on Cardano and optimistic about a Bitcoin ETF this year in the US. The recent sell-off that wiped out more than 20% of the cryptocurrency, aka paper hands, market's valuation appeared to have embroidered or emboldened buyers to invest even more in digital currencies, according to a survey conducted by cryptocurrency assets broker Voyager Digital. So a very good article regarding the state of cryptocurrency and how people are really starting to adopt cryptocurrency, right? Yes, sure, there's dips, but you can't have paper hands. You got to have those diamond hands. Have the diamond hands. All right. I think it's Coin Ticken or Techen. All right. Now, this one talks about Goldman Sachs, and this is really important because Goldman Sachs has a very big hand in how people look at money in general, right? Banks. So let's take a look at this. Goldman Sachs' interest in crypto money and blockchain technology is reflected in its investment in new projects as well as the future it opens. The bank previously invested $5 million in a fundraising round led by Blockdaemon, a firm that builds and hosts computer nodes that make up blockchain networks. You guys, cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. Sure, there might be coins that are going to be dropping off once, let's face it, maybe some meme coins are going to go away, a lot of different coins that just don't do anything, right? We're looking for coins with utility, and the thing about it is Algorand is definitely up there, and I've said this before, I definitely think that it can definitely compete with Ethereum, and it already kind of is, right? Let's just put it this way. Algorand has very high fast transaction in comparison to Ethereum right now. All right, so even says right here, we're looking at a number of different companies that fit our strategic direction. All right, so guys, this is all good news all the way around. Now, we are going to get back into Algorand and take a look at this. This is on Twitter. Look at that. All right, so not only are the DOGE community going up, but look at what Algorand has up there. We have the website, #FutureFi. The future has arrived. All right, this is in Miami. If you take a look right here, Algorand excited for what's to come at City of Miami. Very cool stuff going around. Osprey. Okay, about Osprey Funds. All right, there's a reason I'm telling you about this because it's tied to Algorand, okay? Just bear with me for a second. Osprey Funds is building the premier boutique digital asset investment firm. We've launched 3 funds for intelligent investors so far, including the Osprey Bitcoin Trust, the Osprey Polkadot Trust, and the Osprey Algorand Trust. Highlighting it for you right there. Let me make that just a little bit bigger. Look at that. See that? The word is getting around. Okay? If you go further into their website, right? If you go into products and then Algorand, this is where you go. Osprey Algorand Trust. The Osprey Algorand Trust offers accredited investors an easy, cost-effective way to access Algo, the native token of the Algorand network. The trust is waiving the 2.5% management fee until at least January 1st, 2023. Now, why did I bring this up? Well, it is because of this man right here, Greg King. Okay? He earned an MBA in University of California. And just take a look at this page so you can get more information. But let me show you this right here. He also came out on CNBC. Okay, digital dollar could push more investors into Bitcoin, fund manager says. Okay, so I'm going to play just a few seconds just so you can hear just exactly what I'm talking about. All right, here's Greg.
And do you think, Greg, your thoughts? You feel the same way, I gather.
Yeah. So actually, I'll give you 2 things. So one is CBDCs is something that Algorand, which we just did a project on, we just launched a trust, is one of the layer 1s at the forefront. It was founded by Silvio McCauley, who's talking.
So you heard it there on CNBC. All right, this was on a very big channel, and he's talking about CNBC, about CDBCs, right? Central, I think it's Central Digital. Let me see, CDBC. crypto. Here, let me give you a better explanation of this right here. Central bank digital currency. Okay, so he actually went on CNBC. Man, that's crazy, huh? That wordage. And talked about Algorand. Again, exposure is coming, and it's just a matter of time, in my belief, okay? I just love Algo, and I like staking. I like receiving staking rewards, right? I like to see something that's giving back to me. So that's why I'm in it for Algorand. So, guys, lots of things going on with Algorand. It's definitely the time to be into crypto, in my opinion. It's not going anywhere, guys, and there's tons of news. I know you guys are seeing it on billboards. You can't get away from it. If you're watching TV, you might see an ad, whatever it is. I know that I've driven down I-15 in Las Vegas on the freeway, and I've seen Bitcoin, what do you call it? Signs. It's just insane. Cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere, guys. Definitely pass this video around. And with that, guys, thank you so much for taking your time today. You're watching the Vegas Style.